Hi, welcome to Latest Excel. Today we will see how to use a function called WRAPROWS. Now let's see what we have here. Here we have almost 247 numbers, and if you want to print these numbers, what we see here is that we need 5 pages. Now what we can do, can we arrange it differently so that we can print all these numbers in one single page? Yes. So let's see how to do it. Now here let's type a function called wrap rows. Vector, what is the range? It is this. Wrap count, so how many columns we want to use to wrap it. Now let's use 5. Since we saw 5 pages, I think we need to at least use 5 columns. We can use 6 also, but for now let's use 5, comma, pad width. Now what will happen if what is going to happen, this data will be split into 5 equal columns, but we see the data that is available is not to multiple of 5. So what is a multiple of 5? 250, but we have 247 records, so the rest of the 3 cell values will give you some error. So what do we replace with? So we need to replace error with blanks, bracket close, enter. Now if you see, the 3 missing values are replaced with a blank value, and that's how you use the WRAPROWS function. Now if you try to print it, it will get printed in a single page. Let's see what will happen if we use 6 columns to pad. 5 cell values have got replaced with blank. So that's it for today's video. That's how we use the WRAPROWS function. Thank you.